Hello, Dan Morton here, and I just put a short video together to show you how to get into your Luxury Homes WordPress account, and it's pretty simple. Now, what you need to do is start with your email. You're going to see an email in your, I guess I'm looking in Outlook here. You're going to see an email from WordPress called Luxury Homes, your username and password. We'll go ahead and take a look at that, and you can see right here, there it is. And in that you'll find your username for your page and your password and where to go to open up the page. Right now this is a subdomain because I haven't put together the final website, but by the time you get this video it should just be Luxury Home Professionals or whatever the domain we've selected. So just go ahead and click on the link. It's safe, so I'll do that. And here's what comes up. It's just a basic WordPress page. I'm sure some of you or a lot of you probably have already done this or used a WordPress, but we'll just go ahead and do it one more time here for those who haven't. So I normally do a right click on the mouse, I copy, and I paste because I can't type. I'm typist impaired, so I don't bother. Copy. Let's do that. Let's do a paste. There we go. I'd like it to remember me. Log in. And look at that. We're in to Luxury Homes and the dashboard. That's where I want to be. First, before we look at your page, I'd like to go down to Profile. Let's click on your profile. You've got some basic profile options here. You can disable a visual editor, but I wouldn't. I'd leave that the way it is. And you can change your color scheme if you want. If you'd like some keyboard shortcuts, you can do that if you're a shortcut kind of person. And I normally show my admin bar when I'm viewing the site. I can get rid of that if you want. And let's go to here, the name. Now you can't change your username, but you can change your first, your last name. You can change your nickname and how your name is publicly displayed. And I'm going to go ahead and change it to that. Now here's some contact information. And if you want to change the contact email, go ahead and do that, or add or change your website. Hopefully I've got everybody's websites in there the way they should be. If not, you can go ahead and change them right here. Put a little bit more info. If you'd like, do a biographical info. This is good searchable stuff if people are looking for you, and it could be another link back to your website, so that's good. Here's an important part right here. I've given you a pretty simple password to log in, one that can be pretty easily hacked. So if I were you, I'd go ahead and make something a little more complex and something that you can write down and remember and be your very own. So if it's got a little strength indicator here too, which is great. So there you go. Strong, look at that. Change this one here, but that's how that works. I would definitely change that. So let's get out of this here. I'm going to go back to your posts, the posts. Now, this is where you'll find yourself, and by the time you see this, there's going to be a lot more here. So you may have to scroll up and down to look for yourself. Right now, there's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and edit my post. Alright, and that's me. And you should see your name, and I should have a photograph, and I'm going to put probably some sample verbiage in for you that it probably won't be correct for you unless I can have gotten something in advance. So you can go back and you can highlight, you do a select, and you can do delete, or you can start typing, or if you want to, however you want to change this. So if you'd like to change your photograph, you just click on it. You can delete it. There's also an undo, which didn't come back up. How do you like that? Anyway, I wonder why the undo feature is disabled. We should have that working properly here. Let's just can't do an undo on this. Alright, so tell you what, we'll go ahead and we'll put in our own file here. So I'm going to go, I got a whole bunch of junk here. Let's see. Let's do this one right here. See, I just selected it from my computer. And you can change the title here too. This is kind of important because this is what people will see if they don't see the photograph. This is what the internet will see if they don't see the photograph. So I'll just put my company name there, and I'll say insert into post. And there it is right there. Now it looks a little funky, so I'm going to do a little bit of editing. So we'll go back, and this is the edit button right there. So edit image, click on that. I'd like to have it indented. See the alignment, there's none. So I'm going to give it a left. I like it to be left. And you can see it gives you a little preview. Or you can have it center, or you can have it right, and it's indented. So I want this one to be left. And I've got some advanced settings because you see this real close to the text there. I want to change that. So if I go to advanced settings, scroll down, I see horizontal space. I give that a 6. Just my preference. See how that opened up a little bit of space there? So I'm going to scroll back down. I'll say update it. Bam. Okay. Here's something that's kind of cool. If this is your logo and you've got another website or you've got a Facebook page or something you'd like people to be able to click on, you can go ahead and use this little device here called the Insert Edit Link. Right now it's got a link to the photograph, but you can change that. You can make this your business right here, or your business website, or basically whatever you want. So I'm just going to edit that to go to my business website here. Let's delete that, and I'll say update it. I'd like it to open in a new tab. That's perfect right there. Great. And you can link any text or picture that you want to. You just go ahead, select your text, and you give it the URL right there. So that's a piece of cake. Now if I've made some changes, I'm not quite sure if I want to keep this, I can do a preview change right there. I click on that, opens up a new page, and that's what it looks like right now. That's my page. So if I like it, fine, I'll go ahead and save it. If not, I'll go ahead and make some more changes, fix it up. So there's that. Now you're going to see members for a category, and then you'll see your name as a subcategory, and that's correct. And really that's about it. You can put your YouTube videos in, you can put links, pictures, whatever you want here. It's pretty adaptable. So I just covered the basics. I'm not really intending this to be a complete WordPress instructional video, but I think this probably will get most people by. So I'll do an update as we're going to save it. There it is. Post updated, view post. And really that's it. Now I can view this post and it will move to the next page, and I'd rather have it open in a new tab or a new page. So I do a right click. I can open it in a new window, or I can open it in a new tab. So I'm going to do a new tab. This is just easy for me, so I can go back and forth. A little slow here. There it is. And that's it. So far that's what it looks like. This may look a little different by the time you get there, by the time you get this video, but that's really, it's as simple as that. Kill that page, and that's it. And when you're done, you can do a log out, and that will close you out of your account, and you are back to the username password. Anyway, if you have some questions, you can give me a call, or you can email me if you're confused, or if you'd like me to give this information to an assistant or something like that. That would be great. I can do that, and there'll be some more information here shortly. Thank you.